Chances are, if you look around, you'll see pine cones almost anywhere this time of year. And with the endless ideas to turn them into a cool craft project, don't just leave them on the ground, scoop them up and make something. And guess what? I've got a few ideas to get you inspired. Before you get started, remember, pine cones are a part of nature, and that means sometimes little creatures like to make themselves all comfy inside. So first, you gotta bake the bugs out. Just lay them on a foil-lined baking sheet, pop them in the oven at a low temperature for about an hour or so. And that'll do the trick, and you're all set to start crafting. Okay, first, for Thanksgiving, turn your pine cones into mini turkeys for a delightful table decor. These characters will have everybody smiling before they gobble up dinner. Another great idea is to string your pine cones together using twine to make garland. It's perfect for a mantle or to hang off shelves. Now next, if you have a lot of pine cones, you can make a wreath by simply gluing the pine cones onto a flat base. And just add some ribbon or embellishments to pretty up your front door decor. Now, pine cones make adorable ornaments too. So just get some metallic pipe cleaner, gold ribbon to create angels for the tree. And since the pine cone edges look like tree bristles when you combine a bunch together, make a mini Christmas tree by hot gluing them onto a styrofoam cone. Give it a coat of green paint to finish. Now, if you simply want to make timeless home decor from your pine cones, cut the bottoms off, glue them to a piece of barnwood, and after a little paint, you'll have a beautiful pop art floral wall hanging. And finally, chilly winters mean warm and cozy fires, and these pine cones make the best fire igniters. Now, all you do to prep them is dunk them in melted wax, let them dry, and tie them together. This also makes a great gift too. And remember, if your backyard is filled with pine cones, don't look beyond them, look at them, and you'll see free craft supplies. Because with a little inspiration and a few pine cones, you can make just about anything. Get more videos like this one by subscribing now.